Did you know that in 2026, people are making serious money from home using AI tools? First on our list is ChatGPT. This is easily one of the most versatile tools you can use today. With ChatGPT, you can master high-demand writing services like content writing for blogs and articles, script writing for YouTube videos and podcasts, email and sales copywriting for marketing campaigns, resume and cover letter writing for job seekers. If you're looking to start freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, these services. If you enjoy visual creativity but don't have hours to spend designing, this tool will accelerate everything. With Canva's powerful AI suite, you can instantly create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails that get clicks, stunning social media posts across all platforms, complete, polished presentations and pitch decks, professional posters for events or products, and unique logos in just minutes. Canva AI democratizes graphic design. It handles the tedious parts, letting you create professional-grade visual assets quickly for your own projects or to offer as a high-demand freelance service. If you edit videos, AI can completely transform your workflow and save you hours of manual work. Modern AI editing tools give you game-changing features like auto captions that generate stylish, animated text instantly, background removal with zero green screen required, AI effects and seamless, dynamic transitions, auto editing that cuts out silences and speeds up your assembly. This makes creating viral YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels faster and easier than ever. Whether you're growing your own channel or offering short-form editing services to creators, AI editing lets you pump out high-quality content in a fraction of the time. If recording your own voice or using a mic is tricky, AI voice generation has you covered. With modern voice AI, you can generate studio-quality, hyper-realistic narration in seconds. This allows you to produce professional voiceovers for high-value projects like faceless YouTube videos that keep viewers engaged, audiobooks for authors and self-publishers, explainer videos for companies and startups. You don't need expensive studio gear or a treated room anymore. AI handles the audio production, so you can offer full voiceover services or build content channels completely friction-free. Next up, we have Midjourney AI, the ultimate tool for generating mind-blowing, professional-grade images from simple text descriptions. You don't need to be a digital artist to create custom visuals that clients will pay top dollar for. With Midjourney, you can produce book covers for self-published authors and publishers, social media graphics that immediately stop the scroll, marketing visuals for ad campaigns and brand launches, concept art for video games, films, and creative agencies. This tool opens up massive income opportunities. You can package your creations, sell stock visual assets, or work directly with brands as an AI visual artist. Next on the list is Claude AI. If you need to handle complex, long-form content, this is the tool for you. Claude excels at processing massive amounts of context, making it essential for in-depth blog posts and articles that sound remarkably natural, research summaries and analysis from long reports or PDFs, academic and professional writing with clear, structured formatting. It's an incredible asset for bloggers, freelance writers, and students alike. Claude allows you to research topics in minutes, draft long-form content effortlessly, and deliver polished, high-value work to clients or readers. Next up, we have Perplexity AI. Think of this as a smart search engine on steroids. Instead of making you scroll through dozens of blue links, Perplexity scours the live internet, verifies sources, and gives you direct, real-time answers. It's a game-changer for in-depth research with up-to-date sources and citations, content idea generation by analyzing trending topics across the web, fast learning on complex industries, markets, and tools. Whether you're a student writing papers, a marketer looking for market trends, or a creator brainstorming your next video, Perplexity cuts your research time in half and keeps your ideas fresh. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming guides. Drop a comment down below and let me know, which AI tool are you going to try first?